And this is my Xenoplage snorkel set. So this comes with everything you need to get snorkeling. So first off, we're taking a look at my goggles. You can see they are crystal clear. You can see all the way through, and it uses a tempered glass for the lens. You can adjust the strap to fit your head best, and it is a fairly soft silicone on your face, but it does keep things super sealed. So love those. Next, we're taking a look at the flippers itself. It uses a PP plus PC plus TPR material to make it both flexible, not too soft, and still being cozy. You can see I sized them up to my feet here. Very easy to size them up. It does have some clips in there as well as a adjustable back opening on there. So easy to put on and size up and easy to take off. And you can see they work very smoothly for swimming. And then next we've got the snorkel itself, which has a flexible silicone tube, which makes it really easy to have it at the angle you want. And then if you look closely, it's got a fixed buckle, so you can actually again shape it to the way that you need when you're swimming. A drain diaphragm on there. It uses a non-toxic mouthpiece, and then the top of it has this top dry, almost like it's got like a I don't know, some kind of circle piece in it that basically helps blow the water out, so it makes it much easier to use and to prevent from water coming into your mouth, which is great. And then the goggles itself give you a full 186 panoramic view, so you can really see the whole area as you're swimming, which is super fun. Plus, it comes with a little mesh bag to keep all your goodies in, and here's how they look completely in use. It makes a pool day extra fun. Check it out.